aha moment is when the character realizes something that happens in the story. Something is repeated multiple times in the story. The character asks a question that is kind of like hard for somebody to answer. When something happens in the story that is different from what usually happens, gives the character advice. Remember a moment when they were littler.
When I come across a contrast and contradiction, I ask myself, what is the character doing, and is this going to change the story? When I come across an aha moment, I ask myself, how might this change things? When I come across a tough question, I ask, how is this question important to the story, and how do you think the character will answer it? When I come across the words of the wiser, I ask myself, what's the life lesson, and how might this affect the character? When I come across an again and again, I ask myself, why does this keep showing up again and again? When I come across a memory moment, I ask myself, why might this memory be important? What can this tell me about the character?
Signposts help me because they help me understand the story a lot more. For me, it just helps me understand it more.
Like, you know what's happening in the story more. It helps us in groups by, it's kind of like more working together and not just like reading by ourselves.
Very nice.
In this book, Bridge to Terabithia, in the beginning we weren't putting very many signposts in, and I was getting kind of confused on what was going on. And then we started putting more signposts in, and I started realizing oh yeah, that is definitely what just happened.